say good afternoon. It's a lovely day outside, and here you are in bed, snoring. Don't you feel embarrassed? I can see that you do. But don't worry, I am old. We won't get away if you go up and start doing something this beautiful day. Now!
Okay. Sorry.
Good.